I'm Joe Haley, you're watching The Joe Show. Check out today's first product. It's a coffee caddy, and you see we have it stacked here with some K-cups. It's got a school logo on here, so this would be great for alumni weekends, for homecoming, when you know the graduates have come back and they're on the college or university, they're staying in hotels, partner with the hotels, the Alumni Association can put these in the rooms and they can store it with everything that needs to be here. We've got some honey, we've got stirrers, creamer, and we've got some sweeteners in here as well. It's also great for any company. You can put it in common areas where it's a Keurig style coffee maker, and again, you give your company logo on here. There's a variety of different uses for this. Even local businesses that want to partner with local hotels. The hotels don't have to provide the coffee, they just have to provide the space for a company to advertise in that hotel room. All right, this next product, pretty nice here, is a 16 ounce, they call it a Coffee Buddy mug. It's ceramic. We've got a beautiful spot here for a logo. We've got a lid that's going to vent. It's going to come off so we can fill it with coffee. There's a little logo on the bottom here. This product is made in the USA, so it's great for government themed promotions. It's great for union shops promotions as well. It's got a nice little design to it, and if a company, a client, or your company uses coffee mugs and you're looking for something that's a little different to use, this one would be perfect for it. All right, the next product here, got a nice wooden box here, and this is actually a wine opener set. It has everything you need to use when you're opening a bottle of wine for wine connoisseurs. So we've got our stopper here, we've got our wine opener, this has got the foil cutter, and it's got the corkscrew in there. We have a pourer, we have the wine bottle ring, and we also have a thermometer. You want to make sure you're drinking your wines at the right temperature. Again, it's got the beautiful presentation box. End of the season is coming up. If your holiday party is going to be a wine and cheese holiday party, and you're looking for a gift to give to employees or other attendees, the wine opener kit would be a fantastic idea. With the end of the year, we get cold weather coming in, and so we need to make sure that we have scarves. I'm going to show you two different scarves here. Nice design on this with our logos on the bottom. I like the colors on that. And we're also going to show you, these are Pantone match scarves. This got the fringe at the end. And again, beautiful colors with the logos on there. This one we see Farmers Insurance. Great for winter themed promotions, for ski resorts, for anyone who works outside, for those employees, sell in a gift shop. But I also like it as a holiday gift in a creative mailer. You can send this scarf with your logo on it in a box to your clients and say, here is your snowman starter kit. You just need to provide the snow. You can get some fake pieces of coal, a fake carrot, along with your company scarf. It shows your creativity, and it's going to give them a useful and practical product. And finally, on today's Joe Show, let me show you this. So what does it look like? It looks like a speaker, right? Pretty cool. So I turn this on. You see I have it on there. This is not a Bluetooth activated speaker. So I get my phone, I'm going to put some music on here, and we're going to play our music. We hear it. All I have to do is put it on top. Turn it around. There's no pairing whatsoever. The technology here just works. All I gotta do, right on top like that, and you take it off. So it's great. We're gonna put this on my desk. I'm in my office. I want a little bit of a louder, nice quality sound, and I have it just by putting on top of that. So again, end of the year's coming up, and you're looking for holiday gifts for employees. This would be a neat idea. For clients and vendors, this would be a neat idea. You've got a nice look to it. Comes in a variety of great colors, and again, it's something that people will use in the home and the office. All right, well, that's all the time we had today. Thanks a lot for watching. This is ASI TV.